I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody had a great day trading today. And actually heading into markets closed. They closed at 1 p.m. Eastern time today, and they'll actually be closed tomorrow as well. So nice holiday tomorrow, July 4th. Great time to spend with friends and family. Let's get into the trading. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos, and make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. So today I'm actually ending the day. I traded for about a couple hours. Got on, traded for 1 to 2 hours. Took a lunch break and then came back, traded a little bit for a half hour. So my two stocks that I traded today was, of course, I traded Visa, that I'm trading almost every day, sticking to my few stocks list up here, and saw a nice opportunity in Tesla, so I took that short and made a quick profit on that one. So with Visa and all in all, with both trades, ending the day with 55.40 on the day. So total P&L right there. So slow and steady progress on here, and I'd like to be consistent. Keep every day green. So far, it's my fourth day trading day. So heading into July right now, and seeing markets sell off. So actually, I was able to get that nice profit, and then called it a day, and then got off the computer. Called it a day as markets were closing early. So that's I'm closing the day over there. And then let's go ahead into the market recap. So we saw SPY opened up green. So yesterday actually closed around 272, right short of 272 on SPY, and then we saw that nice breakout today in the morning. Opened at around 273, a little short below 273, and markets really tried to push up in the morning right here. They tried to push up, couldn't break over daily 200 SMA. So big resistance, got rejected there, and then just came down. We saw a sell-off. Markets tried again after lunch, and then it's a short day, so markets closing at 1 p.m. rather than 4 p.m. So we saw the huge sell-off before the holiday, July 4th. So this is the usual sell-off. There's usually sell-off right before the holidays. Christmas, Thanksgiving, any other holiday in market. People just don't like to trade, or there's a lot of low volume, so we see stocks falling. So my positions that I'm in right now are for the July swing call. Seeing Visa bounce off that yearly. Let's take a look over here at 50 SMA. So that's a very good sign. Seeing that bullish pattern right here. We see that green candle right here, and then we see upward movement making higher lows. That's a very good sign. I do expect this to be about 134, 135, maybe even test 140 after earnings in July. We saw banks getting hit still. We saw BAC fall today again. Breaking below 200 SMA at that 29, and going to see how that plays out for earnings. I'm expecting to at least get some IV and premium option call gains on that one. But I have that for long term. CME sold off today, very, very low volume. You can see in the bars right here, very low volume. So saw that sold off. So anybody looking to get CME, great chance right here. Don't miss it here. See MACD in the red. RSI reaching that oversold region, so don't miss this one for long term. This is a great one to have for long term. Look at the max chart on this. You can see almost draw a straight line on this. Same with Visa and banks. I see great opportunities for long term, so looking to hold that for long term. So that's my positions I'm in right now. Looking for markets to recover. Let's take a look at SPY again. Looking at the yearly chart, we see that bounce. We see MACD coming up from that red, and we also see them recovering so far. So just a sell-off before the holiday, but market should be recovering to the green on Thursday into Friday. So guys, I'm still doing pretty well on my day trading, and if you want to pick that up, there is a great promo going on right now. I have it in the video right here. Started day trading, and then we have the July 4th promo link. I'll leave in the description, and also for my chat room, we have a great 10% off July 4th sale right now. So 10% off on all plans, and that will be discounted after payment, but we have this 10% off running until tomorrow, July 4th at midnight. Alright guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified, and make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on social media. Hope you guys have a great holiday tomorrow, July 4th. A great time to enjoy with friends and family, and I'll see you guys again on Thursday.